All right, so here is question 2 to our specific heat guided practice. So again, we're going to read our question and label what we have. We have a 2-gram sample, grams measures mass of water is cooled from 45 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. That is my Ti and my Tf. I want to know how many calories of heat will be produced. That is my Q. Okay, so let's go ahead. Again, we cannot leave temperature in Celsius. We want to change it to Kelvin by adding 273 to it. So our Ti is going to be 45 plus 273. So the initial temperature is going to be 318. Cross that out. 318 is what I want. Then our Tf is going to be equal to 35 plus 273. And this is going to equal 308. All right. So let's write our equation down. Our equation is equal to Q equals MC delta T. All right. Again, we need to go ahead and we are going to calculate this delta T right here. Remember, the delta T is equal to T final minus T initial. So we have 308 minus 318. Our delta T is going to be negative 10. All right, now we're ready to plug in our information. So I want to know how many calories, that's my Q. So this is what I'm looking for. That was what my box was, equals my mass. So my M is 2.0. My C, which stands for specific heat. Now, if you notice, we do not have anything labeled C up here, but we cannot put X because we already have an X. So if you remember during the lesson, I told you that the specific heat of a substance is unique to each substance of water. So not water, each substance that you have. So since we were dealing with water here, all right, water has a very unique specific heat, and you're gonna have to memorize them just in case they ask it to you, because water is so abundant and we use it all the time that they're just going to assume that you know it. So here are the specific heats for water: 4.18 and 1 degree Celsius, not degree Celsius, 1 calorie. Since I'm looking for calories, I must use the 1. The 4.18 is for joules. So I'm going to use 1 right here since I was talking about water. And then I need my delta T, right? And my delta T was negative 10, right? We have everything that we need. So go ahead. X is already isolated and by itself. So we're going to have to go ahead and just plug this into your calculator. 2 times 1 times negative 10, and you get X equals negative 20. And my units for this, they wanted calories. So this is calories. And there we have it.